Wanasiasa wako na maneno mingi, msijali. Haya, pigia mheshimiwa Mbati makofi. Haya, niruhusu sasa nimuite deputy speaker wetu wa bunge letu la Kisii naye azungumze.
Haya, kwa majina naitwa Jacob Hon Bagaka. I also want to appreciate KCP Foundation for the good work you are doing in terms of CSR, that the profits you make, you are able to bring them back and serve the community. Your Excellency, you have done a lot in education, from the bursaries to now changing the lives of our young people who didn't have an opportunity maybe to go to university, but they have been able to come here because, number one, they will be sponsored to get school fees. Number two, once they finish getting the skills or the training from the vocational training centers, they will be able to get toolkits for them to go either start a business or they can be able to go and get employment somewhere. You allow me to speak in Kisii. Abantu baminto morocho mheshimiwa Simba rati obwatanira na KCB asenge ncho yo train abantu baito ku Kiward 45 na se training yega abanafunzi amoroche ga baitantiri bweyamo kero mwanafunzi agwakanwe school fees KCB ge ku 25 million ne county yo 25 million chibe 50 million in Tumne County Assembly. We are working with you, Your Excellency, and we want to give our commitment. Ngachiba 25 million is in the budget. Nande KCB kera ataketomende chike million ya musini. Mune County Assembly na bato comment that a matching fund again the 50 million again to konya abana bange obugi mababo change. Ekina kiege ntokia maana. Mwarori abantu baita bange ntumuna bagusi. Ekereta ya yo kiri muno mugusi tari okonyelimi. Gendo musaboro tambe na yobeke yage koreki yoke. Tari okogenda ekero muntu mino abeire muna bantu bwate taye ko Simba rati utete kwenye bisi Amarangeti abantu baro mwangaza lakini bona mbasa mpeta Amarangeti ali bona ekumoreka ndo jaja ko machipara kiasi woikato bwate sia barayi baite kera barageti oyo ntumuna bagusie tuabeta woikatwanche county yaito woikatwancho mugabano ito woikatwancha aba MC baito na bajumbe paka senator egere tokole gasi asowoncho libo mabwa abantu baito naboga bana ngochora the easier route. The easier route no go to Rangel into Naba MCA, Rangel Senator, Rangel Women Rep, Tobaganichi Chile County, Tomakrichinkobe. But he has decided to take the very difficult route, which is to serve the people, again into villages, Alimich Paroro, again into villages, Aroskin Gitali. Achigaiga, Akonyabana, Bosbaligaiga, Umanabu Takanerakoleki, Anyole. We must continue supporting such a government so that we can be able to change the lives of these people and ensure a Mambiaitone Yake. Ndo ragara bwe kumno yondali ata MC kudunga ngamambiteri promising governor onyemekiri abeire promising. Thank you and may God bless you.
Thank you so much. Pigia deputy speaker wetu makofi.